In today's video I will show you how to pick a video with and without permission in Android and play that inside media3 or exoplayer library. Now this is only for Android. Of course I will be doing it for Flutter, but this is only Android specific. I have already done a video on how to pick videos and play it inside exoplayer both for Android and iOS, but in this video I want to show you how to do it with and without permission for Android. So there are two ways of picking videos in Android. So let's get started. So first of all I will show you a demo. So I will click on the first button. I will pick video without any permission and I will play it inside exoplayer or media3, whatever you want to call it. And in second button click I will first ask for permission. Once the user allow it, I will pick video and again play it inside exoplayer. So yeah, that's it. So as usual I have created a Flutter application, and inside that I have created a homepage widget. I have created two video URLs. So one thing which I have noticed is that suppose you have a native view. So this my video view is a native view which I have created. If I am passing some prop or some variable to this as inside its constructor, and that variable is getting updated, this native view does not get updated. There is some workaround for this. Not workaround, there is some solution for this, but I'm not covering that solution in this video. So be careful of that. If you try to pick a video from the same button, like if I click the text first button of picking video without permission twice, so the second time when you pick a video, the video player might not get updated. So yeah, be careful with that. Again I will cover this how to update your native view in my future one of my future videos. But yeah, keep an eye on that. So here as usual I have created two variables for our two buttons for picking video, and then I have created a method channel for this. Next I have created a text button, and here I am calling this pick video without permission method, which has to be defined it on the native side, and that will give us the URL. So I'm setting the URL for this. Similarly for button 2 as well. Once we get the URL, I'm setting the URL on video URL2 and making the first one as empty. Next inside visibility over here I have defined our video view. So this is for video URL1. Similarly I have defined it for video URL2 as well. Now if you go over my video view dot, so here as usual I have defined boilerplate code for embedding native view inside your Flutter application. So here as you can see I have created this creation params, and I have updated the view type to my video view. You can ignore the iOS part because I have already covered this in my one of my previous video. This is only for Android. And inside next you have to go to build.gradle and make sure you are at least using Kotlin 1.8.20. Next go to build.gradle over here, and you will have to add first these two dependencies, so we can use the register for activity result and these two dependency for using the media3 dependencies. Next I have gone to main activity.kt, and here firstly I have refactored our Flutter activity to Flutter fragment activity. Next I have defined a method channel result over here, and here I have defined overridden the configure Flutter engine method. And first I am registering our video view. Next inside our method channel I have defined the same name as that on the dart side. Next I am calling pick video without permission, and this is pick video with permission. So here we are calling launch new video picker, and if it is pick video with permission, depending on what Android version you are, you have to request proper permission. So for Android 10 above, read media video, and for below that read external storage. Next so this is the code for request for picking video without any permission. So as you can see here you will get the URI, and we are sending it back to the dart side, and the dart will side, then the dart Flutter side will send it to my video view native view, and this is for sending it with permission and request permission launcher. And once all the permission has been granted, we call launch new video picker with permission, and here you can see the MIME type is video/star. So and we are sending the URI back to the native side. And here first of all I have defined my video factory, And as you can see, this is boilerplate code for defining any kind of a native Android view. Next, inside my video view.kt, I have taken a linear layout, and inside that I have defined then I have defined all the variables for our exoplayer as well as our player view. I'm returning our linear layout, and on dispose I'm releasing our player. And inside initialization, I have initialized our linear layout as well as our player view, and added our player view to linear layout. And here we are setting up our player and passing the video URL which we get from the flutter side. And first we will release any player and set it to null, and then we will build our player. This is for hiding our system UI, and this code is for releasing the player. So yeah, I think that should be it. I think hopefully you have added this permission inside Android manifest as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.